Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's our topic is Colors of Rainbow, 8th class English short story. Colors of Rainbow, it is a Dogri short story. Actually, it was written in Dogri language and later on it was translated by Shivnath. It was translated by Shivnath, a well-known literary figure of Jammu and Kashmir. This story is all about the colors of rainbow, but this rainbow is used here as a metaphor. The writers and poets usually use different poetic devices in their write-ups, in their writings. One is simile and the other is metaphor, but the rainbow here is used metaphorically. It has a metaphoric meaning. It symbolizes life. The colors of rainbow, as I said earlier, is a short story. In this short story, a rainbow is used metaphorically. It symbolizes life and it is colors at different stages. The writer uses the first person in this in telling the story. This creates an atmosphere of enthusiasm. The stage for the story is set in its unique style. The narrator is sitting on the cot in front of the window of his room. He is watching drops of rain coming down the chili plants. The red jelly dancing with the wind. The narrator becomes quite oblivious about what is happening around him. His little daughter comes and asks many questions. Papaji, see the swing of Gudda and Goody. Where is it, daughter? I asked. The narrator asks a question to his daughter. They are up in the sky, multicolored, replied Munni. The little girl calls this rainbow as the swing of Gudda and wants to have one like that. Actually, the narrator was absorbed in his own thoughts. He was much absorbed in the thoughts of nature. At that time, if somebody comes and tries to tease someone, that becomes very that looks like very bad. Papaji, the father, the narrator himself, he tried to put her away, but she was telling more and more questions. At the same time, when she was off, the narrator started thinking about his own childhood when his mother used to tell her the same story about this Gudda Gudi. He was actually a Gudda and his parents were all ready to get for him a Gudi, and both of them will sit on the swing and sway here and there. He was just seeing outside the window and enjoying nature. Much oblivious, much unaware about what's happening there. Actually, his wife was calling him for some time, but he was unaware about who is calling about. Just then, his wife comes into the room. A ripple starts between the couple. This way, ripple starts between the couple. The accusation and counter-accusation begins. This ripple caused gloom on the whole scenario. The narrator leaves the place in disgust. After spending the whole day out, he comes back in the evening and sees his wife alone, awake in his family. Perhaps she has not taken a morsel of food for the whole day. The narrator's wife offers food to the narrator, but he puts high his manly grandeur, refuses at first, but later on takes some morsels of food, some crumbs, the things become normal. Both become happy when in the morning their children see both their parents talking to each other. They become also happy, and they also become happy. The rainbow appears now once again in the sky, but with brightness and much colorful. Uh, as I earlier said, this is a story about a couple who engage in small quarrels and arguments with each other. Finally, things settle at the lawful and joyful note. This was an introduction of this lesson. In the next video, I will try to explain its text clearly to you and with the meaning of the difficult words. Thank you very much.